Have you ever wanted to do a press up but tried and just completely given up because it's too difficult? You've got no upper body strength, no guidance. Would you like to be able to go from this to this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it with no upper body strength. This video took a little bit of a leap of faith for me to do because I never in a million years thought that I would be the one showing anyone else how to do a press up. I am nearly 50. I spent my whole adult life not being able to do a press up. I can actually do one now, and the reason that I wanted to do this video is because I realized how empowering it is for people to spend their whole adult life not being able to do something and then going through a really simple step-by-step process and being able to do something they could never do before. So if that's you, I'm going to show you how to do it from having no upper body strength to being able to do a full press up on the floor. Let's go. So here I am in my living room. This is where it all began, on my kitchen table, because it's really impossible to do a press up on the floor if you have no upper body strength. So you have to spend a little bit of time building your strength step by step. So I took about 5 or 6 months to do that before I could do a press up on the floor. It involved a few minutes most days. I put it on a whiteboard so that I could see my progress, and I highly recommend that you do this because that was a bit of a game changer for me. I could see when I was doing well, I could see when I was missing days out, and that really inspired me to keep on track. So, and I took a photo of all my whiteboard. Now, about 7 months down the line, I don't need to keep a track of it because it's so integrated into my daily life that I'll just do a few press-ups every day and that will sort me right out. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the press-ups on an incline. So we're going to start off either on the wall or, as I did, on the kitchen table. And I put myself in a press-up position, so I was looking for kind of straight bodied alignment. I don't want my bum to come down too much and I don't want it to stick out too far. So a nice straight body alignment, and then I just hold my core, hold my bum, and then come down as if I'm doing a press-up. So that is, in layman's terms, really easy. So I wanted to do that until I could move down to the next level. So I did that every day or most days, and I started off with 10, and I found it really, really difficult to start with. I was in agony in my chest muscles because they'd basically never been used before. But within about a week, it started to get easier. So I'd increase it, so then I might do 15 a day. And then once I was really confident with that, maybe within about a month, I moved down to the next level. So I looked for a surface that was solid, that was a little bit lower. Then I found that my sofa would do the job nicely. A park bench would also work for that as well. So I did that. And then the thing about finding surfaces to do your press upon, just look around and see what's available. It might be that you go out and you find a wall, or you have a wall in your garden. Also, stairs are really good. So I started off on my kitchen table. I did that for about a month. I moved down to the arm of my sofa, and then I found that was really difficult when I first started it. So maybe I might do 5 on the arm of my sofa, then I'll go back to the table until that I was confident that I could do about 15 on the arm of the sofa. That took me about a month of daily application, and we're really just talking a few minutes every day here. And then I went down to, say, the third and the second steps, just different progressions. And then after about 5 months, I found that I could miraculously do a press up on the floor. And there's another technique that I was doing every day. So I was doing about 5 of these a day. Then I moved up to 10 to build up my core strength and my upper body strength, which helped massively. Basically, I'm putting myself in a plank position, and then I'm lowering myself down onto my forearms, and then I'm swapping sides and rotating. I did about 5 of these, and then now I can do them quite effortlessly, but it was really, really, really difficult to start with. And then I'd log all these on my daily chart so that I could see how I was doing. The other important thing to note when you're doing a press up, no matter what level you're at, is to always Hold your core, squeeze your bum, and then go down, and then breathe out as you push up. Hold your core, hold your bum, lower yourself, push it out. I wasn't doing that. Whenever I wasn't doing that, it was really, really hard. It really started to change the game for me once I started making my press ups a full-bodied experience. Don't care what anyone else thinks, just do it. This is you. This is your way of loving yourself. This is your way of showing up for yourself. This is doing what is right for you. So just do it in whatever capacity you can. You have got this. Let me know how it goes, and bye for now.